Also, uncovered, making connections in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into the world of English phrases, specifically focusing on the term also. It's a small word, but it plays a crucial role in connecting ideas and adding information. Let's get started. Also is an adverb used to include additional information or emphasize a point. Imagine you are talking about your hobbies. You might say, I love playing the guitar. But if you have another hobby, you can use also to introduce it, like, I also love painting. In this case, also helps you convey that there's more than one thing you're enthusiastic about without starting a completely new sentence. The placement of also can vary, and its position can slightly change the emphasis of the sentence. 1. Beginning. Placing also at the start emphasizes the additional information. 2. Also, I wanted to mention the meeting tomorrow. 3. Middle. Commonly placed before the main verb unless the main verb is be. 4. She also plays the piano. 5. They are also coming to the party. 6. And. Less common but possible, especially in spoken English. 7. I'd like some ice cream also. Also can be used in combination with other connectors to make your English sound more fluid. 1. And also, it's slightly repetitive, but you might hear it in casual conversations. 2. I love strawberries and also blueberries. 3. Not only but also. This emphasizes both elements being discussed. 4. She's not only a talented singer but also a great dancer. While also is pretty straightforward, there are a few pitfalls you should be aware of. 1. Redundancy. Avoid using also with other phrases that mean the same thing. 2. Incorrect. I also too like chocolate. 3. Correct. I also like chocolate. 4. Overuse. It's easy to lean on also too much. While it's a great connector, try to vary your language to avoid sounding repetitive. And there you have it. Also is a versatile tool in the English language that can help you seamlessly connect ideas and add information to your statements. We hope this video helped clarify how to use also effectively in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, go on and also have fun with your English learning journey.